Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to pick up where we left off in the JavaScript course on Codecademy. Variables are named memory locations. We can use variables to store values. The values which the variables hold can be found in the memory. Variables also help in labeling data which programmers use in their code. Variables must have descriptive names so we don't have a hard time figuring out their meaning. For example, if I want to store my age in a variable, I would name the variable as my age and not just age because I can refer to the age of any arbitrary object. If you look on the right side here, Codecademy is telling us that each box is a variable which holds its own value. This yellow box is a variable which holds the value of sunshine. This green box is a variable which stores the value 100. And this blue box is a variable which holds the value true. In the next challenges, we will learn how to declare variables. Up until ES6 version of JavaScript, developers used only the var keyword to declare their variables. After the ES6 update, developers prefer using let and const keywords to declare their variables. In this example, we are using the var keyword to declare a variable my_name and store the value of aria to it. Notice how the name of the variable is not vague and its name explains exactly what it stores. Codecademy has used the camel case to name its variable. In this notation, the first letter of only the first word is in lowercase and the rest are in uppercase. We use the equal to operator to assign the string aria to the variable which is created. There are a few rules for naming variables. Variable names cannot begin with a number. Variable names are case sensitive. We cannot use keywords as variable names. And variable names cannot begin with special characters like underscore, ampersand, or any other character like that. When we come to the challenges, we have to declare a variable named favorite food using the var keyword and assign it to the string pizza. So var favorite food is equal to pizza and click run. I can go to the next challenge. Declare a variable named num of slices using the var keyword and assign it to the number 8. So var num of slices is equal to 8. When I click run, I can go to the next challenge. Under the num of slices variable, use console.log to print the value saved to favorite food. So console.log favorite food, and on the following line, use the console.log to print the value saved to num of slices. So console.log num of slices, and when I click run, pizza and 8 appear on the console and I can go to the next challenge. Using let. In this challenge, we use a let keyword to declare our variable instead of var. When we declare a variable using let, we are telling JavaScript that this variable can be changed later on in the code and its value is not constant. We should know that when we declare a variable using either let or var, without giving it any value initially, the value becomes undefined. We can always update the value of this variable later on in the code. So in this example, we are assigning the value of enchiladas to the variable meal while declaring the variable meal using the let keyword. In the next line, we are logging the value of meal to the console. And in the next line, Codecademy has reinitialized the value of meal to burrito. Notice how they haven't used the let keyword over here because the variable is already declared. We are just reassigning it over here. In this example, Codecademy is just declaring a variable price without giving it any value. So therefore, the initial value will be undefined as said over here. In the next line, they are giving it a value of 350. And when we console log the price, when we console log the variable price, the output becomes 350. In the challenges, we have to create a let variable called change me and set it equal to the boolean true. So let change me is equal to true. When I click run, I can go to the next challenge. On the line after change me is declared, set the value of change me to be the boolean false. So change me is equal to false. To check if change me was reassigned, log the value saved to change me to the console. So console.log change me. Now when I click run, false appears on the console, and I can go to the next challenge. Using const. Here we declare a variable using the const keyword, which is short for constant. The values of such variables cannot be changed later on in the code. Unlike let and var, we have to assign a value to a constant variable while declaring it, else JavaScript will throw a syntax error. If we try changing the value of a const variable in the code, JavaScript will throw a type error. In this example, JavaScript is using the const keyword to declare a variable myname and store the value of Gilberto to it. When you console.log the variable myname, we get the output as Gilberto. When we come to challenges, create a constant variable named entree and set it equal to the value enchiladas. So const entree is equal to enchiladas. When I click run, I can go to the next challenge. Just to check that you've saved the value of enchiladas to entree, log the value of entree to the console. So console.log entree. When I click run, enchiladas appears on the console and I can go to the next challenge. Great. Let's see what happens if you try to reassign a constant variable. Paste the following code to the bottom of your program. So I'm going to copy this code, Control C, come over here and press Control V. And this code throws the following error when you run your code. Type error, assignment to a constant variable. So when I click run, let's see what happens. We are getting the same type error statement here also, which is what we expected. We are getting this error because we are trying to reassign the value of entree, which is a constant variable. So guys, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you for watching.